What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke. And today we're talking about how to start a garage door replacement and repair business. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand: how to start a garage door replacement and repair business. Okay, my first question for you is, do you like fixing things and working with your hands? Then this is a great opportunity to start a business that is very niche but can make a good amount of money. Your first step in the process of starting this business would be to get your LLC and EIN number from the IRS. Get licensed and insured in your state. I don't know what state you're in, what state you're watching this from, so I can't tell you exactly what that process is. You'd have to look that up yourself. Now, once you get the little things done, right? Your best bet is to invest in promotional material along with the website. You can get your website started fairly easy on HostGator. For more information about HostGator, you can check out my blog, or there is a link for the HostGator sign up in the description below. So now you have all that set up, right? You want to grab the tools needed to fix and install a garage door. Okay, now number 1, locking pliers. Number 2, open-ended wrench. Number 3, a Phillips head screwdriver. Number 4, a level. Number 5, cordless drill. Number 6, winding bars. Number 7, safety equipment, i.e. eye protection, safety jackets, things of that nature. Number 8, step stools. And number 9, tool belts. And number 10, a van or truck to hold your tools. These 10 items are basically your starter kit to build a garage door repair and installation business. Now, what you do is start contacting property management companies and leaving your business card at open houses. This will start to generate some interest to your business. You can also promote on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, Google AdWords, go door to door during the week and Saturdays and leave your business card in mailboxes. You can do a mail promotion through the U.S. Postal Service and have them actually send your flyers out to all the homes in a particular zip code. Listen, there are dozens of ways to market your business. You just have to be a little bit inventive and be willing to get out there and put your nose to the ground and hunt, okay? It's all on you. It doesn't, the business is not just gonna come at you, not from the beginning, all right? So the next question is, how much does the average garage door repair and installation business make? Well, the average is between $150,000 to $200,000 a year in profits. But don't get it twisted. To actually make this a profitable business in the long term, you're going to need to reinvest most of the profits back into the business to grow your business, okay? Because you don't want to forever be working in your business, okay? And I know that sucks, but to grow any business and make it long lasting, you're going to need to reinvest. And if you need money to expand your business, then you should try outside funding. All right, the link on the blog will connect you to the Wealth Builders funding site, okay? You can start getting funds for your garage door business or any other business as soon as this month. Okay, so with that being said, thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke, signing off for how to start a garage door repair and replacement business. Do remember what builders? Make more, save more, build more. Peace.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.